Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the mesh you want to deform and making sure you're in the modeling menu set. Next, create or select the guide curve with the CV curve tool. This curve drives the deformation. Then choose Deform Wire tool, click the curve first and then the mesh so Maya binds them correctly. Once done, confirm the wire node appears in the channel box. This order matters. Curve then mesh ensures the correct driver-target relationship and predictable deformations. Now you refine the effect by editing wire attributes in the attribute editor. Increase or decrease the envelope to control global influence. Think in tenths for subtlety. Then tweak drop-off distance and drop-off curve to shape how influence fades from the curve to the mesh, because soft fall-off prevents harsh pinches. Make sure Wire Visualize is on so you can see weights and offsets, and use the Offset attribute to nudge vertices without moving the curve. This helps you isolate mesh corrections while preserving the original guide shape. To finish, bake or delete history if you need a clean mesh. Freezing transforms can lock your result. If deformations look wrong, rebuild the curve or use Reparameterize so the curve's parameterization matches vertex distribution. This fixes skewed influence. For complex shapes, add additional wire deformers on separate curve sections for layered control. If things go wrong, check vertex weights and ensure the curve was selected before the mesh. Remaking the wire with the correct selection order usually resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.